Today I'm gonna make a deconstructed sushi. We're gonna start with a bed of rice. I will use some packaged cold smoked salmon. A half of avocado, nicely sliced up. Some sliced red bell pepper, yellow. I sliced up some cucumber and I put some salt and sugar on it. Some pickled ginger, of course. And I don't have any wasabi, but I don't panic. I'm gonna use horseradish instead. And this part is not traditionally served with sushi, but I'm gonna have a nice, perfect poached egg on the top of this. I do have a recipe on how to make the perfect poached egg. I'm gonna put the link right here. And lastly, I'm gonna put on some chopped spring green onion. Isn't this the most beautiful dish you've seen today? And I'm going to enjoy this. See you next time.